Hello everyone, I am Mr. Easy and welcome to Easy Peasy. Today I'm going to teach you how to talk to any girl. I know some of you like this girl but never have the courage to talk to them. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to do exactly that. First, to do that, we need to find a girl. So I'm going to look around to see if I'll find any. Okay, we have a nice, beautiful lady standing over here. I'm going to approach her and try to talk to her. Follow me. Hey, Ohima, Nancy saying, gay, who chop on Ohima, who trusted the kind of this in bro, Fred. Ohima, now no pay your dying.
Masa, what is it? Can't you see I'm married? Excuse me.
Uncle, sorry.
See? Easy, right? Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to talk to any girl. Now, if you want me to teach you more, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to our channel.